got a workout today. We got a 2K, 3-mile tempo, and then 1K. I did mine on the treadmill earlier. Killed it. I'll drop the paces down below. But here are the dudes. We got the workout group for today. The guys who don't want to run on the treadmill.
Treadmills suck.
Some people love them, some people hate them.
I use treadmill feet.
Looks like everybody's pulling up in the next percents
But if
today.
everyone has nice percents,
I just want it to be
cheating.
known that I did not wear next percents for my treadmill workout. Treadmill already gave me enough of an advantage.
Nice.
Oh my god! The women's restroom.
Who's your editor, Peter?
You're a sexual predator now.
Blizzard. It is a blizzard. Official blizzard alert. There they are. Getting ready for some strides. We got the straggler. Matty Ice. Coach isn't very happy that these guys are on the slick track right now, but let's hope they can hit their paces so he'll be a little bit less mad at them. Stay smooth, looking good. Let's get it, guys. Come on, Maddie. Come on, Streaks. Nice job, guys. Nice job. The jet's flying off the floor. Let's get it, guys. Halfway. Looking smooth. Stay together. 3 more laps. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Workout interview for Mr. Burchett. Do you have any thoughts?
How does it feel to know that you're going to get destroyed by Coach?
That was an amazing workout. It was worth it, bro. It was majestic out there.
What were
the snow
your-
falling.
What were your paces?
5:52 for the 2K, 2 seconds slow. And then we were about 5 seconds fast per mile for the tempo. And then we hit the 1K right on 2:46, baby. Let's go.
Do you share the same pride in your workout today?
I do. You know, I wasn't with 2 seconds back. I was more like 9 seconds back off pace. But, you know, I was still hitting the paces on the tempo and 1K. So I think overall it was a decent workout.
Matty B. Matty B. What about you?
It went pretty well. It was like 7 or 8 seconds slow on the 2K, but the tempo was right on, and I was like 3 or 4 seconds slow on the 1K. So, not too bad for the conditions.
My heel, though. My heel. Hey. You know what? I gotta say this on our. My trust in Ryan was kind of wavering before the workout, but you know what? I think the adversity of, doing the workout right in the conditions was definitely a lesson learned, worth it, and I'm thankful to Ryan, and I hope Coach also expels him from the team.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've got no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. I'm taking a pretty snow video right now. It's a winter wonderland. Just a winter wonderland. There they are. They still have to run 20 more minutes. In the cold snow, it's starting to fill up everywhere. It's coming down hard. We're expecting
4 inches in your mom.